Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the physical properties of amines. Physical properties of amines. The first is the physical state. The first is the physical state. The lower aliphatic amines up to 3 carbon atom are gaseous in nature, while the higher amines are liquid or solid. So the lower amine, such as your methylamine, such as your ethylamine, etc., lower amines, they are gases at room temperature and are of fishy order. Fishy order कहने का मतलब smell like fish. So they have fishy order, while the higher amines, they are your liquid or solid. It is obvious because, as you know, as there will be increase in molecular size or molecular mass, the magnitude of van der Waals force will increase, due to which the physical state changes from gas to liquid and further from liquid to solid. Now, if we consider the aromatic amine, you know aniline is your liquid. So, aniline or higher aryl amines, aniline or higher aryl amines, they are liquid or solid at room temperature. So aniline or higher aryl amines, they are liquid or solid at room temperature. They are colorless. Aniline or higher aryl amines are colorless. However, on oxidation with air, they give some different colors. So when they expose to air, they may become colored. However, aniline is colorless. So this is all about your physical state. Now the second is your solubility. The second is your solubility. The lower amines are soluble in water. The lower amines are soluble in water as they form intermolecular hydrogen bond. As they form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. For example, this is your amine. You know this RNH2 is your amine. No doubt it is your primary amine, and this is your water. Now there is a force of attraction between this hydrogen and this oxygen. amine का हाइड्रोजन और ये वाटर का ऑक्सीजन आपस में मिल करके आपको इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है. That's why your lower amines are completely soluble in water. But as the size of the alkyl group increases, but as the size of the alkyl group increases, means जैसे जैसे इसका साइज बढ़ता जाएगा, as the size of the alkyl group increases, the hydrophobic character will increase. The hydrophobic character will increase. Now the question is, why the hydrophobic character will increase? क्योंकि आप जानते हो ये जो अल्काइल ग्रुप है ना, ये हाइड्रोफोबिक नेचर का होता है, और जब इसका साइज बड़ा होगा, सपोज करिए मिथाइल से इथाइल हो जाए, इथाइल से प्रोपाइल हो जाए, प्रोपाइल से ब्यूटाइल हो जाए, तो जब ये बल्की हो जाएगा, then what will happen? It will repel the water molecule. वो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के नजदीक नहीं आना चाहेगा. Then what will happen? Then it is not easy to form hydrogen bond with water, and that's why the solubility will decrease. So in simply we can write, as the size of the alkyl group increases, the hydrophobic character will increase and hence their solubility will decrease. However, amines are completely soluble in organic solvent. Amines are completely soluble in your organic solvent. Organic solvent, that is your alcohol, benzene, ether, etc. That is ether, alcohol, benzene, etc. तो भाई जो ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट में है इसमें ये कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं, या उसमें ये कंप्लीटली सॉल्युबल होगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. आफ्टर सॉल्युबिलिटी वी हैव बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. नाउ इन सॉल्युबिलिटी there is one more question. In solubility there is one more question. The question in NCERT book is, out of butan 1-ol and butan 1-amine, which one is more soluble in water? Which one is more soluble in water? अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में एक क्वेश्चन है, अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में एक क्वेश्चन है कि ब्यूटान 1-ol और ब्यूटान 1-amine इन दोनों में कौन ज्यादा सॉल्युबल होगा. आई होप यू नो द आंसर. द आंसर इज योर ब्यूटान 1-ol. द आंसर इज योर ब्यूटान 1-ol. Now the question. So out of your butan 1-amine and butan 1-ol, which one is more soluble? The answer is your butan 1-ol is more soluble in water. Why? Because what happens in butan 1-ol? There is oxygen. Alcohol है तो ऑक्सीजन होना, OH group, that is your oxygen, and in butan 1-amine we have nitrogen. We know that the electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 while the electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.0. It means the hydrogen bond formed between your alcohol and water, it is your more stronger in comparison to in comparison to the hydrogen bond formed by amine and water. Alcohol और water जो hydrogen bond बनाएगा आपको, that will be more stronger in comparison to the hydrogen bond formed by amine and water. That's why your alcohol is more soluble in water than your amine. Now next is your boiling point. अब आप boiling point देखिए. So right, boiling point. Boiling point. Amines have higher boiling point. Amines have higher boiling point. किस किस से ज्यादा boiling point होगा? Then hydrocarbon, ether, your aldehyde, ketone. ठीक है. However, they have lower boiling point. Than carboxylic acid and respective alcohol. The condition is their molecular mass should not differ more. अगर सबों का हम एक सर्वे करें, इन सबों का एक कॉमन मॉलिकुलर मास लेकर के सर्वे करें, तो आप देखोगे कि योर अमीन है higher boiling point than your hydrocarbon, ether, aldehyde and ketone, but they have lower boiling point than your alcohol and carboxylic acid. So the first question is, why amines have higher boiling point? That is the first question. The higher boiling point of amines, are due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Are due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond between the molecules of amine. For example, this is your amine, one molecule of amine, and this is another molecule of amine. So what happens? One molecule of amine have nitrogen, another have hydrogen, so they will form a hydrogen bond. अब देखिए कि इनके बीच आपका intermolecular hydrogen bond होता है. So due to the presence of this intermolecular hydrogen bond, we can say that amines have higher boiling point. Clear हो गया? Now the question is, if we consider isomeric amine, means we have primary amine, we have secondary amine and we have tertiary amine. तो भैया आपके पास प्राइमरी अमीन है, सेकेंडरी अमीन है और टर्शियरी अमीन है, जबकि तीनों का मोलर मास सेम है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हिच टाइप ऑफ अमीन हैव हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एंड व्हिच टाइप ऑफ अमीन हैव लोअर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट? नाउ द आंसर इज, प्राइमरी अमीन हैव higher boiling point than secondary amine, which have further higher boiling point than your tertiary amine. Now the question arises, why it is so? If we consider a primary amine, suppose if we consider a primary amine of this type, it is your RNH2. Now this hydrogen can form hydrogen bond of another amino group. Again this hydrogen, this can form another hydrogen bond. This can form another hydrogen bond with another amino. तो देखिए ये एक प्राइमरी अमीन है, ये प्राइमरी अमीन आपको 2 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना रहा है, ये आपको 2 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना रहा है. However, what happens in your secondary amine? Your secondary amine will form 1 hydrogen bond. Let us see example. This is secondary amine RNHR. This is one molecule. This is your another molecule. This is your another molecule. These are 2 alkyl. तो यहाँ पे आपका हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होगा between this nitrogen and between this hydrogen. So in between, you can say in between these 2 amine there is only 1 hydrogen bond. There is only 1 hydrogen bond. However, what happens in case of your tertiary amine? See, in case of your tertiary amine there will be no hydrogen bond. भाई टर्शियरी अमीन के बीच में आपका क्यों हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नहीं बनेगा? Why there is no intermolecular hydrogen bond between 2 tertiary amine? Because in tertiary amine there is no hydrogen. टर्शियरी अमीन में जब कोई हाइड्रोजन ही फ्री नहीं है तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड कैसे बनाएगा? तो आपने क्या देखा? What you have observed? We have observed that in case of your primary amine there is extensive hydrogen bond. There is extensive hydrogen bond. However, in case of secondary amine there is less extensive hydrogen bond. However, in tertiary amine there is no hydrogen bond. That's why primary amine have higher boiling point than secondary amine and then tertiary amine. It has been practically proved. अगर मान लीजिए कोई कह सकता था कि सर हमने प्राइमरी अमीन में जब हम इसकी बात करी तो ये नाइट्रोजन भी तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बना सकता था तीसरे से, तो यहाँ भी आप यहाँ 3 कहते तो यहाँ 2 कहते, वहां तो नील होता. इन टर्शियरी देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. नाउ इफ वी कंसीडर द एग्जांपल्स और द टेबल गिवन इन आवर एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक. For example, in our NCERT textbook, example is there. See, that is your table number 13.2. It is table number 13.2. Comparison of boiling point of amines, alcohols and alkanes of similar molecular mass. First is your normal butyl amine C4H9NH2. Your mm means molar mass. हमने शॉर्ट में लिख दिया mm. Molar mass 73. Your boiling point is your that is 350.8 Kelvin. If we consider secondary amine C2H5 whole 2NH. Now see, this amine is your 2 degree amine, while this amine is your 1 degree amine. It has same molecular mass 73, but its boiling point is 329.3 Kelvin. तो देखिए ये प्राइमरी अमीन है, ये प्राइमरी अमीन है नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल अमीन, इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज्यादा है, although they have same molar mass. Third example you just observe. Third example. The third example is your C2H5, then we have N and it is CH3 whole 2. Now this amine is your tertiary. The molar mass is again 73, but the boiling point is your simply 310.5 Kelvin. तो आप खुद देखिए, लेकिन इसी 4 कार्बन का सेम 4 कार्बन का if we consider normal C4H9OH that is butanol, again molar mass almost same 74, but the boiling point is your 390.3 Kelvin, which is much larger than the boiling point even of your primary amine. So I hope you must have understand the physical properties of amines, that is mainly your solubility and boiling point. Thank you.